Want to know how to use or join the Genius loyalty program in Booking.com? So in Booking.com, once you have created an account, you should be provided with a Genius level. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just easily join them and use them. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your favorite web browser and type in Booking.com and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you have done that, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here, and already you should be seeing a Genius label. This is your Genius loyalty program. So right here you should be seeing Genius loyalty program, that's should be right below bookings and trips. So you can just simply select it. So once you have selected it, you can just simply scroll down until you see your level. So this is how you join. So you should by default be automatically joined into Genius level, and once that is done, here you can see its requirement. You can just simply complete 5 bookings in 2 years to unlock level 2. So this is how you progress it. You can just simply book hotels, stays, and you should level up. So you can also see how to progress in Genius with FAQs and much more. So you can just simply see your question and answers right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.